Hello everyone, my name is Jose Rodriguez. In this video, I will show you how to install WinRAR, one of the most popular compression tools, and we will do this on a Windows 10 system. In your host machine, open your preferred web browser and go to win-rar.com, okay? And at the bottom of the page, you will see a download option, okay? So let's open it in a new tab. You will see different options to download, but we are interested on the English 64 bits version for Windows. Okay, so let's click on the link to start the download process. Once the download is complete, we need to transfer the installer to the Windows 10 virtual machine. For the purpose of this video, we will use the shared folder option from VirtualBox. Let's select the Windows 10 system and then go to the machine menu and select the settings option. So let's go to the shared folders option here and let's click on the add new shared folder icon. For the folder path, we will look for the downloads folder in our host machine. It's going to be this one, and then click on open. Let's use the default name for folder name, okay? And then let's enable the auto mount option and the make permanent option, and then click on OK, and then click on OK again. So if we open a file explorer window just by clicking on this icon here, and then if we go to this PC option under the network locations section, okay, you will see a shortcut to the downloads folder in our host machine. So let's open it. So here's the installer that we just downloaded. So let's copy this to the desktop just by dragging the file and then dropping it on the folder of our Windows 10 system. Okay, so let's close this window and then let's just execute the installer by double clicking on it. You will get this user account control window where we need to provide the credentials for a domain admin account. So I will use pedro.gustavo. Then I will insert the password. Then click on yes. So we can allow this app to make changes in our system. Let's use the default destination folder under program files. Then just click on install. Let's use the default values for all the selections. Okay. And let's just click on OK. Okay. So this is already, then we can just click on done. And then we can just close this window. Okay. So that's it. We are ready to start compressing our files using WinRAR. Thank you for watching this video.